Just another quick video, this one targeted at people with push button starts that want to know how to turn the maintenance light off, since all the instructions online refer to using a key. And from what I read, a lot of these people are pretty confused and are still uncertain what to do. So here's exactly how to turn that maintenance light off. Now, I've already turned mine off, so you won't see it on as I do this demo. All right, so keep your feet off the pedals. Push the engine start button twice. Your display should come up. You can see I've got the temperature outside on the display. It needs to say trip A. So I'm going to push the button here until it says trip A. Now, push the engine start button again to turn the car off. Now, hold this button in and keep holding it in. Again, not putting your feet on the pedals at all. Push the engine start button twice to bring the display back up. And you'll see it's got 5 lines and they're counting down. And when it says 0, the maintenance light is off. I hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.